Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about mind-blowing designs and ideas of trendy wooden decoration ideas. New and trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden decoration ideas. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful home decor ideas. Every types of decoration you can see in this my video. So please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can visit my channel and see more collection about wood. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful, stylish wooden ideas, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful objects, these websites easily in very reasonable price, or visit your market for buying these very beautiful wooden decoration ideas. Most beautiful, most trendy designer ideas you can see in this my video. Top 50 designs and ideas you can see. Easy to make, beautiful and trendy, stylish wooden ideas, beautiful wooden decoration ideas, beautiful wooden projects. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden decoration ideas, wooden decor ideas, most beautiful, most trendy designer ideas. New and trendy designing ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.